Yo.
Kalo K.
Yo.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. This morning kind of looks
Like ass.
straight to, bro.
Like pretty much like ass. Nothing looks good. Well, not too many things look good. It looks a lot better than
yesterday
yes.
somehow. Yeah. You
I
think?
wouldn't. At least we actually have like setups.
Yeah, they're just far.
Yeah. Luke, I did think about it, but I'm not sure, man. Circle in that area is a lot more congested than the area that you traded and I traded. But it is Circle, so that thing could just give out everything.
What were y'all talking about the low on that from yesterday?
I was looking at 155. I was thinking about it. I'm not looking at it, but I was thinking about it, but I decided not to.
Set another just to see what it does. Did you would you do coin at 300 if that came all the way down? Maybe.
Why don't you ask George? Why does it gotta be me, bro?
You're just that guy, bro.
Nah, Benji, let me ask you. Would you take one at 300?
There you go, Kevin.
Hey, Frankie's not taking it. I'm not taking that shit. You know.
Pause.
Oh, my fault.
I was looking at 310, but that did break. That's why I'm kind of unsure about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mario, I'm not gonna lie. I was watching that for a majority of the day while I was just doing other things.
Just have meta loaded up and go from there. There's nothing really close.
Yo, Ian, I'm crying. I don't know if he's in here. I just saw what he sent me on Instagram. Yo.
Good morning, my friend.
Good morning, good morning. As far as the open, I have nothing. Maybe meta at 780. That's $4 away, but we all know meta can do that in like one candle. So
You don't like PLTR there, Frank?
I do, but it's post earnings. And last time I didn't get smoked on PLTR earnings. I looked at the right thing. It just took forever to happen. So I think this time I'm gonna wait a little. Well, besides the first minute candle, I'll definitely wait.
Yeah.
Gap fill on circle. I didn't even know. I mean, is there one? I didn't even know if there was one. There is at 143. That's way too far for me to even bother to look at.
What you got here at open, Nor? Nothing?
Meta.
Yeah, nothing right now. But I will play that with you guys. Just,
PLTR?
yeah.
Okay. Alright.
If we get it correctly, yeah.
I don't know how much these contracts usually are. Like, I don't know how far I have to play out.
I mean, you're about to find out in 10 seconds.
Yeah. If this came straight up, if this came straight up, would I trade it? I probably would skip, if I'm being honest, guys.
Oh, shit.
If we like happen to have a steep red candle like we are now and then turn green, then I would be
Another-
interested.
Oh. I'm not playing that. I learned yesterday I don't want to be doing that. So I'm gonna switch over to meta.
I like that.
Yo, the candle was literally.
Yeah, that's why I needed a steeper red candle. That's why I meant.
It didn't even pay much, to be honest. I watched the contracts the whole time.
Yeah, no, yeah, I had them pulled up, and nothing happened.
Yep.
So-
And there goes the pullback. Beautiful.
That
Yo,
meta
got
candle
cracked.
was so close to my alert. Holy shit.
PLTR even looks a lot better now, and so does Meta. So we got two options now.
I would say Tesla with nothing there.
I'm gonna go back to having PLTR ready personally.
Really? It pounced?
Yeah, it did for a second. Like the candle almost flipped. It did flip back to green for a second. I'll switch. It's getting close again.
Yeah. Fuck. Nah, there's no way. I'm not playing those. That's stupid.
Oh my god. I sold right there. I don't want to mess with PLTR too much. So I was gonna wait for 174, but man, bro, that pullback on that first candle when I looked at the contracts, I was just gonna play it safe. Damn, bro. $1 on the contracts are my entry. It's all good.
That would have to be the 790s, right?
That retest on PLTR was definitely. That's why we wait, guys. That is why we wait.
Contracts moved way better on that thumb. I watched.
Oh, easily, bro. The first time, like when it broke originally, they moved like maybe 40 cents, which isn't even that good for a post earnings play. That one on its own, it moved like almost $1, $1.20.
There's a 1 minute trend right there, 175 on it too. Oh, there it
You
goes.
know what's
Damn,
crazy?
bro,
But
fuck.
you know what's crazy? The 180 calls are only up 6%, and this stock's up 10%. Holy shit!
Yeah.
Yo, whoever swung earnings yesterday,
They got violated.
unless they were in the money, they didn't even make money, bro.
Meta just had a Reddit green, by the way.
Yo,
What contract
Alright.
you looking at on Meta?
I'm looking at 790s. I think 780s are a little expensive.
790s or the 800s, I feel
They
like.
have more volume, but I mean, honestly, I'd rather just trade the 790s. I'm not sure about Nor.
I'm waiting here. Not sure.
Where am I trading Meta? My alert's at 70 cents right now. My target would be 781. Hopefully we crack that pre-market high. I would just need to see this to be ahead of the market. That's my only thing here with Meta. That's like the only thing I'm really looking for.
Tesla gets smoked.
Coin,
I was looking
bounce.
at downside yesterday, but it's still pretty far.
Yeah.
Coin doesn't look bad at that pre-market level either, but I think it's just better for me to wait for 300.
I'm switching over to Tesla. Market's having green candles here. Tesla isn't.
What was yesterday's low? 303.
Where's PLTR? Okay, that's pulling back. Meta pulled all the way back.
Made a high at 176. Damn.
Tesla just broke a 30-minute trend too.
Oh yeah. Market's coming down now.
Nothing's really holding up that I had on my watch list. Google is, but that's still pretty far from where I want to trade that.
Yo, yeah, I want 198.
Yeah, that setup at 198 looks insane. Nvidia's not holding up.
PLTR all the way down to 172. If this comes down, I'm taking that 170. I'm gonna send an alert.
I was gonna ask you about that if you would do something like that on this. But
Yeah. Yo,
circle's
contracts.
moving. Yeah, circle's moving the wrong way though, Mike. We want that to come down.
Yo, just for the gamblers in the chat, PLTR is up 7%, right? The stock itself. Oh, actually, hold up.
No, are we? Yeah, so put that comment on the side real quick.
Guys, I'm looking at the 170 puts. These are cheap. The
They
fuck?
are.
This is a blow off top. Get ready here. Remember, this is PLTR. No need to go in heavy. Contracts gaining value on that bounce is crazy.
Yeah, they're holding up, bro.
Yeah, they're at over $4. All right, guys, I have my alert set at 170.30. Nice bounce there. Beautiful. Tesla bounce. Meta there. All right. The only thing that's happening, I guess.
What's your target for this?
Below 169.50, but realistically, 169 break, and then I'd be a little worried there for a bounce.
That's the second time it bounced off of 50 cents. I may move my alert
Yes.
there if I'm being honest. Or maybe 40
So then-
cents.
First level, I mean, 170 is obvious psychological level, but the first level is 169.70. Then you got room down to 168.80. And then next level under that, I would say is around 168.30. It's about a $2 move. And if, this continues the same energy it has right now, this could be, one of those candles where it's just like,
I'm not gonna lie, for a $2 bounce right here, the contract's only lost $1.
are they not even though, right?
I would say it's like roughly $1.
Where they hit 460?
From 436 all the way down to 325. So yeah.
Yeah. IV loves that bounce though. We're not getting a break.
NQ shooting.
It's only been 8 minutes, bro. It's crazy.
Huh?
It's only been like 9 minutes.
Yeah.
We have ISM services at 10 a.m.
Nvidia's pushing with the market. NQ had a pullback here, and Nvidia still decided to push. But I mean, I don't have anything on that right now. Yo, Maki.
see the chat, George?
What you just sent?
Yeah,
That's sick, bro.
my
That's just
bed made
that's just
35
more
adjustments.
adjusted 6 times.
Nah, it adjusted 35 times last night.
What does
Shit.
that mean though? Did it like change temperature?
Yeah, so one it'll change temperature based on your room temperature. So let's say it's like if
Yeah.
it's whatever. Then also when you're snoring, it adjusts your body so that you stop snoring. And then once you get into like deep sleep or REM sleep, it'll adjust the temperature based on what it like it's autopilot, so it studies your body. So it
That's
gets you
crazy.
deeper sleep.
It's like a whoop band for your bed.
Yeah. On what? No. Yeah, like nah, it separates both sides. So each side gets its own adjustments. Their biggest like ad, quote unquote, is no more sleep divorce or no more sleep divorce something.
Yo, Frankie, freaking Google, man.
What about it?
I think it's the strongest thing here. I feel like.
Yeah, but $1 is a lot for that stock.
No, I know. I don't even think I would take
I'm
it
not.
today.
I'm not even bothered.
Says I snored for 3 hours. What the fuck? PLTR is pushing. Oh, QQQ, that looks sick, no? Maki?
Maki's power is about to die out, so
Oh shit, so it's just me and
it's literally just you.
QQQ one-on-one. Alright, hold up. PLTR just alert, it's about to go for a high. Is that even worth looking at again or no?
I was gonna ask you about that because I'm not sure if it's worth playing that. I mean, these are all-time high levels, so I'm not too positive myself.
Like I wish it was before 175.
Yeah, if it was before 175, I would have been all over it, but it's just a random level.
Alright, hold up. Let's see.
Guys, Google's moved 20 cents since we talked about it. It's still far. And like, we probably won't even trade that today, even if it came around.
No, so you won't even think about it? Turning the high on PLTR?
You said Abe's downstairs? Oh. What'd you say, Frankie? Yeah, I'm looking at the 175 calls on PLTR.
Alright.
Yeah. Just an inverse H, nothing special about this. QQ is fucking pushing. I'm in PLTR 175 calls. Got filled at $5. We're at 5.15.
I ended up doing the 180s because that's what I had pulled up.
Yeah, the 175s have more volume. That's why. I got filled at $5, guys. Just so we know. Remember, it's PLTR. Damn, QQQ.
QQQ is pushing heavy here, Nor.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not like
we
PLTR is moving with the market, but it's
If we
still
can
not.
hold
I wish I could
170,
hit QQQ. That break was sick. Guys, get ready. 520 a contract. You're probably gonna get 550 on this break. 530.
Jesus, bro.
Yeah, I mean the scalp's already nice, but I'm waiting here.
Yeah, me too. I was gonna wait for the high break. If we reject, then we reject. But
What's your guys' fill?
$5.
Well, you did the 175.
I filled at 267, Benji. I'm about to stop out here soon if these hit 250.
Where is QQ's right before a breakout level right now? And the meta came all the way back. So after I get out of this, I'm switching over to meta. Alright, contract's moving well for me. They're 475. I got in at 5.
I'm about to stop out, Benji.
Okay. I didn't get in. I'm just favor trading in my head basically.
I'm switching to meta though.
I'm about to get
That
out of
sucks. Sucks because the market's just pushing. And meta's a little behind, but that could change pretty quick.
How about your QQQ idea would have went crazy, Nor?
You said what? Yeah.
QQQ went crazy like right after you talked about it.
Fuck is that? Meta.
Google still pumping. Google can pump all at once. So I'm not trading this the way it's moving. That's not my way of liking Google. So Meta's at 778.70 Nor.
Yeah. I just got
779 now.
an alert.
Oh, shit's moving quick.
It's at 50 cents now, yeah.
Well, contracts.
790s is what I have.
The spread on the stock.
That's a pretty wow. Holy. We just broke. Yeah.
That's a good scalp.
That's a good touch it. I'm about to sell here. I was looking for 781 break, guys, like I told you earlier when we were on the mic. Contracts are losing a bit of value, which sucks. Contracts still pretty flat. Market pulling back. Let's see if meta actually holds up now, because market's just been pushing the entire time. So yeah, red candle on NQ and meta just had a red to green, so this has a lot more room now, guys. Let's see if we get it. NQ heavy pullback. Meta made a new high, but not by much. But it is showing strength now on its own. Let's see if it can hold up. I will have a break even. Take profit if this comes back down though. I will not let this trade take any profit from me. Steep red candle on NQ and meta is still holding 780. Let's see if it still holds it. My take profit will be if these contracts hit 460, which is going to be here soon.
I took profit there. I managed to sell only a quarter. I was looking for 781.
I sold right there. Contracts
Yeah,
hit
I only
460.
managed to sell a quarter there. I made just 200 by selling that at least.
I was up 1,200. I ended up losing only 200, so I'm happy with that.
I missed meta because I'm still in PLTR, guys. But I've just put a hard stop at 174.48. If that alert goes off, I'll get out. But if we end up pushing through 176 again, I will be adding to my position.
Where'd you say you were gonna add? Probably.
176. Same, like basically same as like a roll entry.
I got you. All right. Depending on how we get back up here, Frankie, I might retry that 781. Only if it has momentum, but right now it's looking like probably not.
It did hold up really well. Despite it having a red candle, it did hold up pretty well in the pullback, considering it was behind.
Yo, if I add to this trade, guys, my stop changes to 175.30. I'm about to add. Huh? What? Yeah, yeah. 175, right?
Actually, Castle, I swapped over to PLTR. I'm gonna try it right there if it looks good still, where Nor wants to add.
I didn't like because it was PLTR, so I would want to like the add is just to get a full position because it looks better.
My ad is gonna be just below 176. There's no candle that's closed above 176, so that's probably where I'm gonna add.
Yo, Tesla looks good as fuck too.
To the upside. I see.
Yeah. Yo, if anybody wants to play Tesla, it's a nice
312.
level. Yeah. You put on the 15-minute, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. It's a flat top. Fuck.
Yeah.
Should I just get the fuck out?
Shit.
315s. Yeah, you would look at to play the 315s. Ah, man. Yo, guys, the alert should be at like 77 cents. If I were to play, it would be 311.77, and I play the 315 calls. It's just I'm stuck in PLTR. I can't do anything about it. Just stick to my plan. I didn't have time to switch. Yo,
You looking at this, Frankie, or no?
A PLTR?
No. Tesla.
What? Oh, Tesla? No.
I'm probably gonna scalp this.
looks real nice, and it's ahead of the market. I'm not waiting, bro. I'm about to get out of PLTR, I think. Fuck. I don't know what to do. Damn, it's about to happen. 311.78, 77, that's the level. And then 315 calls. I'm just gonna stay on PLTR. But that's what I would take on Tesla if I were to play it. Yeah, Tesla's got it.
Oh man.
It's
There we
gone.
go. And Meta just started bugging.
Meta just had a crazy candle too.
Oh my god.
Guys, first target on Tesla's 312.40. I don't know where it's at, but that's the first target. It already
First
hit.
target hit. I sold a third.
All right. Next target on Tesla would be 313.17, and then nothing there till 314.10. I mean, I don't know if that's gonna happen today, but I'm just saying. I'm not paying attention. Well, that's the targets.
That Castle, but you see how Meta went crazy? That's why I like that. I like where it was getting bought up. It's just I ended up switching over. Tesla's still a nice play here.
Both are good,
Um,
honestly.
very nice play actually.
I'm the loser stuck in PLTR right now.
Alright, take profit for me is gonna be 311.50. I've already sold a third above 312.
Oh, yeah, hot stuff's at 48 cents.
Yeah, 48. You're gonna hear the well. Actually, no, don't go by that. I was gonna say you're gonna hear the alert, but that could be any alert. But yeah, 48 cents. Yo, QQQ is like, bro. I'm still in. Yeah, that's because QQQ is getting piped.
Those contracts moved from 447 to 485, bruh. They
On
moved nice.
Tesla?
Yeah, just on that move.
Meta's still going.
Still, I got nothing on that right now though, unless we set up.
I don't have
something.
anything. I don't have anything till 785, the
Yeah.
all-time high.
I'll play that though. I'll play that for sure.
Yeah.
Yo, there's one more play left. One more left. Well, technically two more. One's not realistic and one is.
I was telling you guys about Google.
Oh, fuck Google, bro.
No, not you guys. Telling the chat, like, not to worry about it.
Yeah, I was about to say, what are we talking about? Google
No,
stuff,
no,
bro?
you guys know. You guys
What,
know better than that. Yeah, like nasty rejection. Like they for sure got smoked if they
Oh,
did
yeah,
try Google after I told them that looks bad.
Shit. Fucking meta, bruh.
Bro, I know. I literally held that through the 8150 break.
Yo,
I
guys,
still
get
don't-
ready here. This is gonna pop, I think, in the next 2 minutes, maybe 3. But I'm looking at the 175 calls on PLTR. If this is gonna happen, it's gonna happen in the next 2 to 3 minutes max. If not, then it ain't happening today. But this, if we get this play, it'll be better than the first one. The setup is far better now, like actually setting up. Before it was just the inverse age and it was overextended. Again,
There's news at 10.
there's news at 10. Cool. All right, it would still be the 175 calls.
It's ISM services. I think we're straight. But yeah.
Maki hates that shit.
Yeah, that's true.
Maki does.
Frankie, I would watch this.
I'm watching it. Yeah, I'm watching 176 though. I'm not watching what you're probably watching.
All right.
Because what you're probably thinking around 50 cents, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew it. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for 176 personally.
I have my alert at 60.
I have mine at 70. So
We got about 30 seconds till this 1 hour closes, and then the news. And then
Meta.
I'm
I'm gonna keep a close eye on meta if it starts pushing, but it's still like we got some time now.
yeah, it's $3 away. It's starting to tick slower too, so I'm not too worried. Oh, damn.
Maki
Yeah.
shook that, man. What's up?
Oh, wow. Holy. Yo, Maki,
Yo,
what you
It was
doing
just
back
ISM,
there?
right? What the fuck?
Sophie hates that shit. Yo, look at Meta.
Look at
Oh
PLTR.
yeah, Meta died, bro.
This is holding up.
That shit does its own thing though.
I don't really watch it enough to tell if it is moving with the market or if anything gets affected by it.
Yeah, I'm.
Cause
Yeah, I
it's
don't
still
know enough.
post earnings, so I'm not sure.
I'm done with Tesla, Tariq.
Monkey hates ISM so much he shook it overtime.
It's an earthquake. That's why there's a fucking.
That's why there was an earthquake in Jersey. Ew.
Yeah, done. Yeah, I mean, I could be done. Not done. I wouldn't mind.
Maki quake? That's crazy. See, now you guys are giving it nicknames. That's insane. Massive pullback. Tesla's still holding 311.
Yeah, that might still be a play.
Yeah, because that's honestly holding up really well right now. Could change soon, but
I'm gonna probably stay red today. I don't think I'm gonna catch anything. I missed
Bomba
Meta
clats.
and I missed Tesla. Those are two plays that I was calling out, but I wasn't in.
I think Monkey's having internet issues or something.
Yeah. No problem, no problem. Yeah, I'm red today. Only trade I took was fucking PLTR, but I ended up skipping Meta. I was in PLTR and I ended up skipping Tesla because I was in PLTR. But both of those moves were nice. I am still gonna take PLTR if we come back up. I think we get a move up to 177, 177.50 if we get the break that I'm looking for, and it's look like is it coming up? Someone said Tesla's at L. I don't know. I would have got a nice green trade on Tesla if that was in. Yo,
PLTR.
Yeah.
I'm about to get in soon. I'll let you guys know. I'm looking at the 175 calls on PLTR. I'm in. 470 for the fill for PLTR. It's my last time trying it. Like I said, don't normally play this, but I'm happy to take this lightly. I'll add to this trade if we get to 176.30, but other than that, I'm taking this lightly. All right, rejection, market's pulling back. PLTR can't hold here. I'm gonna get out. Last time I'm taking it.
I stopped out.
I have 75 cents as my stop. That's a stupid tight stop for me. Once that candle closes, I'm done. We're at 75 on the bid. Candle's about to close. How bad are those? Fuck that. I'm not taking the chance there. All right. 2 losses on PLTR. I'm now done.
Man, that is a nasty rejection.
Where?
PLTR.
Oh yeah.
$1 wick, and then followed by $1 drop. That's insane. You guys wonder in the chat why I never look at PLTR when you guys bring it up, even before earnings? This is why. Even with this one being post earnings, it's not a reliable stock.
Tesla dropping now.
So you can bet next time this has earnings, that's all you guys chat. If you guys profit, you profit. If you lose by yourself. I'm not trading this anymore. That was enough for me to actually solidify that this stock is dog poop. Caca. But you know what? We tried it. We know that now. Because you'll never know without actually trying the stock and actually getting screen time behind it. Yeah, this is for sure off my list now, though. I have nothing else going on, so that might be it for me too here soon. Tesla's still holding up. I mean, not I want to say holding up, but it's at least above 310, 311-ish almost.
Yeah, I'm actually starting to like this.
Yeah, I'm not. That's why I brought it up because it doesn't look. It didn't pull back with the market too much. Take care, Nicolini.
It might lag on me, but my alert is set for QUQ 564.60 for puts.
What's your target on this low day?
Yeah, break of low day. I'm taking QQQ half a position here, and I'll wait for 60 cents for the other half. Here comes the other half. I'm in. Other half. Yeah, we're up nicely, but I'm obviously waiting for low day. My stop is 565.20. God damn it, it's gonna do that thing again where it's 2 cents away. I hate when it does that. I'm up nicely, but I have to follow the rules. I can't sell. It has to break low day. If it double bottoms on me, then so be it. What's SPY doing? SPY double bottom. It's okay, whatever. So for me, it's either target or nothing. I'd rather stop out than sell early. But just keep an eye, keep your contracts ready to sell if it breaks low day. That's what I'm doing. If this doesn't break, I'm gonna be so surprised. Got my finger on the trigger. Bingo. Sold.
Good
Wrap
shit,
it up,
Mug.
boys
That
and
was
girls.
nice. That was nice.
Did you take the half with me?
Yeah, I did. My
Yeah, then
half
it's
was
a wrap.
my half was a 180 fill.
Yeah, that's still good. That's still insane.
Then I ended up selling everything at 211.
Sheesh.
Race Scout. Tomorrow's expiration, of course.
Yeah, that's good. Damn, I hate when it hovers around the target like that. That shit pisses me off, bro. I hate ISM off the get-go. Like, I'm already coming in today with a negative bias. The power outage is crazy. I can't play FIFA. I can't do anything.
You can't even use your hotspot.
I am on hotspot.
Oh, why? Yeah, why don't you use that for gaming?
That bro, come on. Can you play League on
Yeah,
mobile hotspot?
yeah. My hotspot's fine where I'm at.
Damn, you're living good then, Frankie.
Bro, back when we used to live in a trailer, you know what my download and upload was? And I used to play in like an amateur league for COD. Bro, I had a 5 download in a point like 1. I don't not I think it's like a 1 upload.
That's crazy.
I struggled back then. And I was still destroying people. If someone got on any kind of website at my house, it was over. I was it was just gone.
Now this thing is still going. Screw it, man. Did everyone do well on that though? Percent wise? So we can't complain, right? That we sold early. That's good. With the put square, everybody typically trades next days. I'm doing futures. So people usually do next days, add the money. recovery play? Nope. There will be no recovery plays. Thought you waited until 10:30 to trade. No, I wait until 10. Directional bias was downside, yes. You got blessed, no? But don't ever do that shit again. Coin? Let's see. Did we speak about this in yesterday's lesson? Can we get a coin analysis? Yes. My coin analysis is stay the hell away from it. If you know, like if you've been here for a long time, you'll know that some stocks, they're only good when played towards the upside for some reason.
Stop those speeches and get down with
Coin is one of
get down with the movement. Get down with the movement. Get down with the movement. Get down with the movement.
I
like
think
to see
coin can be one of the flexible ones. There are some that for sure are not playable. But I think coin can be more flexible than something like Netflix.
Yeah,
At least in my history of trading it. So
no, it's definitely better than Netflix. That's for sure.
that's not to disregard that you should still stay away from it from the downside, because I agree most of the time most downside plays on coin are riskier than upside ones. But I think it just depends.
Yeah.
It's all situational, as per usual with trading. Everything's situational.
Q is definitely doing its own thing because the market dumped and it didn't. It was pulling back without the market. But there, I don't think there's a setup there. I sold Q way too early. That's my Q to leave.